Here is the original ground, reference to the Google Earth image. A great way to visualize the existing conditions. Business Center can add images to the surfaces. Just go up to Surface and add surface members. This is what you'll get. The original ground surface with the Google image in 3D. We can also do this with PDF plans. So here is the proposed plan in 3D. Here's another way to view your cuts and fills. Just turn on the existing surface, and wherever you see Google, that is a cut. Where you see PDF is a fill. This job is almost all cut, but you can see the daylight line here. If we look under the job, you can see what is being built. I think you will like how Business Center works with cut and fill maps. This isn't just a mode within Business Center, but an object. So you can create multiple cut and fill maps. One of the project as proposed, maybe one of changes you have made to balance the job. You progress topo the project with GPS, we can create another one. Also, this is a surface-based cut and fill map, so even if it's a linear job, you'll always get cut and fill labels. We can also control the color mapping of the cut and fill map. Just right-click and choose Edit Color Mapping. Maybe you want more gradation in the map. You can insert them as elevations or just specify how many. The options are endless. You can also change the color, let's say, of the daylight line to green instead of white in the map updates. If you like the way a cut and fill map looks, you could save the settings for future jobs. Cut and fill maps are one way to verify the job and a very valuable output for the field. But running a profile across the job can be very useful as well. As you drag the profile, it updates in real time. We display the slopes as well as structure names as you drag across them. Want to print this view? Just go to File and Print. Now, I left the existing ground and proposed tabs open. If you want, you can right-click on the existing ground tab and give yourself another vertical window. You can then drag the proposed over and drop it into the same view. Take it a step further and make a horizontal tab from the proposed view. Imagine reviewing a bid or presenting a project to partners with Business Center. If all you are concerned with is areas, links, and counts, we can do just that. I would normally just drag a box around the job and compute, but I don't care about the links of all these contours, so we will select by layer. Then we have a report option to open in Excel. The areas, links, and counts are broken down by category, or phase if you choose. Turn off what you don't want to see, and send to a supplier to price for you. We have several ways to run the Takeoff report. We could display the report inside of Business Center, open in Microsoft Word, or save it to PDF. The most popular way is to save it directly to Excel. That is what I will show you. The mass earthwork analysis, summary, and statistics, topsoil stripping, existing demolition if you have any, and site improvement quantities broken out by tab in Excel. Mass earthwork by area of interest, or phase, and cut and fill, summary and statistics of square footage of cut and fill, and the average cut, the average fill, and max cut and max fill broken out by area of interest or phase. Topsoil stripping and respread, then the site improvement quantities or materials needed for the project, all in a customizable Excel spreadsheet that can be mapped to other programs you utilize.